Let's imagine your new NVMe drive is detected in the BIOS. However, during Windows 11 or Windows 10 installation, it doesn't appear. That is, you cannot choose a place to install Windows. Sounds like a bad joke. Probably you thought that your SSD is broken. However, maybe it's not the case. Let's get into it. So folks, during Windows 10 or Windows 11 installation, you may see that you see nothing. I mean, you don't see your M2 drive and you cannot select your M2 NVMe SSD drive. Probably the only thing that you can see here is your flash drive. In my case, this is my Lexar USB flash drive. Actually, this is a bootable flash drive with Windows 11. The thing is, I have a new SSD drive, Kingston. On the Google, I found information that I don't need to install any driver to run this SSD drive on my computer. So yes, there is some type of video on the internet where you need to click on load driver, install driver, and then your SSD drive will appear in the window. In my situation, it's not the case, but you know what? Accidentally, I found a solution to this problem. So now I will show you. First of all, we need to enter BIOS in our laptop or PC. So in my case, laptop will restart and I need to press delete key. In your case, you need to press F1 or F2 key or even delete key. It will all depend on your laptop or PC. So here we are in the BIOS. Here you may see my USB flash drive and my SSD drive. So what I actually did, I navigate to advanced mode. Click here, advanced, then I scroll down a little bit and I found Intel Rapid Storage Technology. I clicked here and I saw that it's a non-RAID physical disk. After that, I decided to disable this technology. So I clicked here to turn it off like this. Of course, I saved all the changes. And after all this process, I saw a new info that map PCI storage under VMD enabled now is disabled, and map SATA controller under VMD, which was enabled, now is also disabled. So it's also very important. That is, you can go to the settings and manually disable both of these options. In my case, I just disable the option that I showed you earlier. Now I can click OK. My computer will restart. So now we are in the same window. I will go through the installation process quickly. Install Windows 11, check this option. I will enter my license later. Windows 11 Pro, click Next. Accept all terms and conditions. Now it's searching for our drives. And boom! Now we see our M2 drive. I hope this method will also work for you. As you can see, for me it worked like charm. Everything works without any problem or issues. Now I can delete all the partitions and install Windows 11. Of course, I want to warn you that after deleting all partitions, you will delete all information from your SSD drive. That's why I'm using a portable HDD drive to save all my data. If this video was helpful, please like it. Also, I recommend watching this video on how to bypass Microsoft account in Windows 11.